Okay, welcome back to the bench. Today we're going to talk about, first of all, we'll talk about the radio. I use FlySky radios, transmitters, receivers, almost exclusively. I have 3 of them now. I have the GTS3 for the first one that came out, then the B model, which is rechargeable. And for this one, I got the FCS or FS-GT5. This is a 6-channel, omnidirectional, bidirectional, whatever, omnidirectional transmitter radio. And it comes with one FS-BS6, which is a 6-channel receiver. Okay, so in the FlySky FS-GT5 6-channel radio, got some tape on it somewhere? Sure it does. Nope. Just making it impossible to get it open. Huh. Okay. So, what I like about these transmitters is you can put multiple cars on, multiple RCs. I have 8 or 9 on mine. Comes with a handle, just in case you have a bigger or smaller hand. Comes with one receiver, 6-channel receiver. Now, these receivers are able to do something that I've not heard of before. Some kind of traction control, gyro. You can buy a receiver without it or with it. I think the one that comes with this, I do not know if it has the gyro or not. Doesn't say so. But I think they have one that has gyro too. So, if you're looking to do a gyro. So this is the receiver we're going to use. This transmitter, nice and small, light, but feels good. Feels real good. Okay, nice, very good screen. Nice, soft wheel. There's a lot of YouTube videos on this, and a lot of people like it. So this is going to be our takes 4 batteries, but you can remove this tray, I do believe, and put a LiPo battery in here. I've seen them do it. I don't know exactly how that works, but we'll try to figure that out later. So this is going to be the radio for the Jeep. So far I haven't had any problems with the other 2. I really like them. And they're not expensive. $39 for the old model, $49 for the new model, about $70 for this. And I personally think they're great.